In this video, I'm going to be showing you the complete tutorial on how to make money with copy trading on the BingX platform. Now, in case you don't know, about 6 months ago, I made a video showing you how to make money with copy trading on BingX. But right now, BingX has updated the copy trading feature on the platform with so many benefits for users and people who are ready to start making money through copy trading. So that is exactly why I am making this video. So if you are interested in making money with copy trading, please watch this video to the end because I'll be teaching you the following things. I'll be teaching you what copy trading is all about. I'll be showing you all the categories of traders that you can pick to make profit on BingX. I'll be showing you the best way to pick the best trader to copy. I'll be showing you what you need to do and what you need to avoid if you want to start making money with copy trading. And lastly, I'll be showing you how you can get the bonus of up to $4,500 as a new user on BingX. So please, if you don't want to miss any important information, please make sure you pay attention and watch this video to the end. And before I go on and show you this whole process, if you don't have an account on BingX, use the first link in the description of this video, or you go ahead and check the pinned comment of this video. The link there, just click on it and create an account on BingX and wait till the end to see how you can earn up to $4,500 bonus as a new user on BingX. Now let's go straight to the point. Now, as you can see right here on the screen, this is the home page of the BingX platform. And to go to the copy trading page, you come here to the top where you have the menu bar and you click on copy trading. So you can see it right here, copy trading, and then you come here and see copy trading leaderboard elite traders recruitment. So you can go ahead and click on copy trading here to start copying a trader to make money. So I'll click on it right there. And you can see right here on the screen, this is the copy trading page on BingX. It says copy global elite traders, established 11.5 million copy relationship. So you can see right here, you can become a trader here. So if you want people to copy your trades and then you get profit from their profits, then just click on this right here to become a master trader. And by the way, if you guys want me to make a video on how you can become a master trader, let me know in the comment section below. So maybe you don't want to copy other people's trades, but you want other people to copy your own trades on BingX or even any other platform, let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to make a video on that or a tutorial on how to go about that, let me know in the comment section below. And by the way, you can actually be making money when you become a master trader or an elite trader on BingX, because when people make profit from copying your trades, you make 8 to 20% on every profit that they make. I hope you get it. So that is the benefit of being a master trader right here. So if you want me to make a video on that, let me know in the comment section below. But this one is for people who are ready to copy other master traders on BingX. So if you want to go ahead and do that, make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, one of the things you can enjoy through copy trading on BingX is this right here. See where it says protect your first copy trade. So you can see it right here, protect your first copy trade. And let me go back to it. So let me just click on it so that you can see more information. So you can see on the screen, copy trading 2.0 newbie exclusive. Claim 20 USDT copy trading subsidy voucher and try new features. So you can see, like I was saying earlier before, there are so many new advantages or new benefits that you can enjoy with copy trading on BingX. And one of them is this, where you can get 20 USDT trading subsidy voucher. Now, what does that mean? Let me explain before I go ahead and show you how to copy a trader. So you can see right here, it says register to claim your newbie exclusive 20 USDT copy trading subsidy voucher. Experience our all new copy trading features with loss protection. Now, step one is that eligible users can register for the event on the event page to grab your exclusive 20 USDT copy trading subsidy voucher. And the voucher will be issued to your My Voucher. So that's the page. So just click right here. And then the second step is to select the trader to copy and invest greater than or equal to 20 USDT. So what they're telling you is that you must copy a trader with at least 20 USDT. And then the third step is that complete the copy trade. And if you incur losses on the eligible copy trade, will cover your losses up to 20 USDT. So basically what they are telling you is that if you copy a trader now, let's say I copy a trader with, let's say, $50, and then let's say after copying the trader, I go ahead and lose, let's say, $30. Now, BingX will return $20 back to me. They'll give me back $20. They are covering for my loss up to $20. That's it. So the maximum they can return back to you is $20. That's the meaning. So if you lose, like, let's say $40, they will only return $20 to you. If you lose, let's say $18, they will give you exactly $18 back. But once the loss is more than $20, the highest amount they can give you is $20. I hope you get it now. So that's an advantage of using copy trading on BingX. So if you want to go ahead and do that, just click on claim now. But before that, let me show you exactly how to copy a trader. So now you actually want to copy a trader. Now, the first first thing you see here is where you have futures traders and you have spot traders. So what this space is that if you are clicking on futures traders, it will show you the traders that you can copy for futures trades. And if you click on spot traders, it will show you the list of traders that you can copy for spot trades. I hope you understand. So for this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide to copy a trader for futures trades and for spot trades. So let's start with futures trades right here. Now, you can see right here on the screen, there are different categories of traders to copy. And you can see the first category right here is where you have comprehensive rankings. The second one is account level. The third one is account asset right here. The next one is copiers, that is the number of copiers. Then the next one, you have 30-day ROI. And then you have cumulative PNL. And then you also have, let me move it. You have cumulative earnings of copiers. And then you have followers right here. And then the last one is risk. These are different categories where you can find traders that you want to copy. Now, I'm going to be explaining all of these categories for you, and I'll be telling you which of these categories is best for you to pick a trader to copy from. Before I go ahead and do that, what exactly is copy trading? What is copy trading? Some of you might want to ask. Now, copy trading basically means you are actually copying a master trader. That is, you copy a trader. That is, if the person takes a trade, you also automatically take that trade. But you don't have to be online. You don't have to set it up, and that is all. You don't have to be doing technical analysis or be checking your charts 247. No, you don't need to do any of that. It's only the master trader that will be doing all of those things. So you're only just to set up the amount you want to use to copy, and that is all. And when that trader takes a trade, you automatically take the trade. If the trader makes profit, you also make profit. If the trader makes a loss, you also take the loss right there. I hope you understand. So whether you make money or lose money, it all depends on the trader you are copying. And that is why I want you guys to pay attention to this video, because I'll be showing you everything you need to know about the best category to copy a trader from. Now, back to the categories. Now, we have comprehensive rankings right here. Now, this category is a category that ranks traders based on different factors. Now, it can rank traders based on their ROI, their risk appetite, their assets under management, the number of copiers they follow. So it takes like all the factors all together to rank them. So according to that rank, these are the top traders in that category. So you can see right here, this is the first person in this category, the second person in this category, and the third person in this category. And if you want to see all the traders under this category, just come here and click on See All. So you can see under comprehensive rankings, these are the top traders under that category right here. So you can see the first person under this category, you see the username of that person, and then you see this logo or this icon right here. Once you click on it, it will show you the level of that trader. So the copy trading account level is bronze. So for copy trading, we have different levels. We have the diamond level, the gold level, the silver level, and the bronze level right there. I hope you get it. So you can see the first person right here. In the last 30 days, this person has made 188% profit. And then you can see the cumulative PNL. This person has made over $10,000 in total. And the number of copiers copying this person, you have 255. And then the win rate is 73%. So that means that this person has won 73% of his trades. I hope you understand. And then you see the second person too. This person has had 277% profit in the last 30 days. This person has made over $59,000. The number of people copying this person, you have 40, and this person has won 47% of his or her trades. So you can see the other traders right here. So again, comprehensive rankings is ranking these traders based on all of the factors, and all of those factors are the ROI, the risk appetite, the assets under management, number of copiers, win rate, and so on like that. I hope you get it. And then the next one is where you have account level. So account level is the category that we rank the traders based on maybe their performance, the volume, and their credibility too. So for this one, they get a badge, and that badge is what I was explaining before. So you have the different badges here. So you can see this badge. If you click on it, this person right here says the copy trading account level is diamond. So diamond is the number one. Diamond is the top right here. So this is the person on diamond on the copy trading page right here. So that means that this will probably be the number one person that you can copy, because this is the only person on diamond right now. I can see the next one right here. If you click on this person is on gold. So this is gold right here. So you can see gold too. All of these people are on gold. And the next one after gold is silver. So this silver right here. So you can see this is the first person on silver. So you can see silver there. And then you also have bronze. Let me click on 2 right here. So this is 2. So you can see all of the people right here, they are silver. They're on silver account. Let's go to 3 right there. You can see these people too are also on silver, but they're still bronze. I want us to find bronze and show you guys that right here. So let me keep on going. So you can see right here, this is bronze right here. So if you click on it, you can see this copy trading account level is bronze right here. So those are the different levels that we have for this account level. Like I said, the first one is diamond, then the second level is gold, the third level is silver, and the third level is bronze right there. So if you want to copy someone at the top, then maybe we can copy the person on diamond. So let me go back to 1. So you can see this is the only person on diamond right here. And look at this person. In the last 30 days, the person has made 4% profit. The person has made a total of $9,800. The person number of the number of people copying this person, you have 1,860, and then you can see the win rate is 91%, which is really good. Any win rate more than 80% is really, really good. I can see the second person right here who is gold, so you can see all of the details of this person. So again, this category is basically ranking it based on the account level like diamond, gold, silver, and bronze. And then if you come here under account assets, now account assets is ranking the traders based on the amount that is in their account, or the portion in their account, or the amount of capital they are using to trade. I hope you get it. Yeah. So according to this rank right now, this person has the highest assets. This one has the second highest. This one has the third highest. And you can see the rest on this page right here. So you can see them for yourself. And then you have copiers. Now for copiers, this one is ranking the traders based on the number of people copying their trades. So you can see the number of person on this list. There are over 24,000 people copying his or her trades right here. You can see 24,000 people. For the second person, you have 6,740 people. For this third person, you have 5,501 people copying his trade. So you can see the others right here. You'll be able to see the number of people copying their trades. And the reason why this is good for you is that it is like a social proof, because when many people are copying a trader, then it shows that that trader is trusted, or that trader is good, or maybe that trader is popular. I hope you get it. So it is good. And though this bad side of it is that, some people might have a lot of traders, maybe because they are maybe social media influencers, or maybe they have followers on the internet, or maybe they made profit in a particular period and people saw it and people just rushed to go and copy them. But regardless of that, it is still good to see the number of people copying a trader, because it shows you that the person is either trusted or profitable or popular. I hope you understand. So that's for copiers. And then the next category is 30-day ROI. So for this category, it shows you the return on investment of that trader over the last 30 days. So you can see over the last 30 days, this person that has made the highest amount of profit. That's over 7,000% profit, which is a lot. 7,000% profit. And I think this person should be new, because there are just 3 people copying his trades. And you can see the person's win rate is just 53%. Well, 53% with this kind of ROI, that shows that this kind of person is taking like huge risk. So this person might be a high risk trader right there. So if you don't like high risk, I won't advise you to copy this kind of person. You can see this one too, 2,000% profit in the last 30 days and just 56% win rate. Just one person copying his trades. I won't advise you to copy this kind of person too. You also have 2,000% profit in the last 30 days with 0 copiers and 24% win rate. The win rate is bad. Once the win rate is like about maybe 60% downward, is not really good, especially when the person is making this huge percentage of profit. That means that the person is taking huge risk. That's just the meaning. Honestly, the person is taking huge risk. So I won't advise you to copy a trader under this. And then you have cumulative PNL. Now, cumulative PNL is showing you the traders who have made the highest amount of money. So for this one right here, the first person on this list has made $113,000. The second person on this list has made $84,000. The third person on this list has made $77,000. So you'll be able to see how much other traders have made right here. So it's just to show you whether the traders are making money or not, which is also good. And then you have the next category, which is cumulative earnings of copiers right here. So what this is saying is that it's showing you the traders whose copiers have made the highest amount of money. That means that the people who are copying these traders, they are the ones who have made the highest amount of profit. I hope you get it. So that means that for the first person on this list, the people copying him or her have made the highest amount of profit. And you can see over 1,000 people are copying this person. And the second person on the list, over 400 people are copying this person. That means that this is the second highest trader whose copiers have made the highest amount of profit. I'm able to see the other traders right here. And then you have followers here. So for followers, this is one that will show you the traders with the highest number of followers. So on this list, you can see this first person has the highest number of followers, and followed by this person, and then this person, and so on like that. And then the last category is risk. Now for this risk right here, this is the category that will show you the traders that are taking high risk and the ones that are taking very low risk. So the first person on this list is the person with the lowest amount of risk, and then followed by this person. So it goes from the lowest amount of risk to the highest amount of risk right there. I hope you understand. So if if you want to focus on following traders with low risk, then you can come to this category to pick someone to follow. Now, that's just the explanation on these different categories. Now that you know the meaning of these different categories, which category should you actually go to pick a trader to follow? Which one should you go to pick a trader to follow? Now, let me explain that to you. Now, based on my own experience, there are some categories that are very good for you to focus on to pick a trader to follow, while there are some categories that I will not advise you to pick a trader under. Now, the first one I will not advise you to pick a trader to follow under is 30-day ROI. For this one, like I said earlier, the people at the top of this list are people who have made huge amounts of profit in the last 30 days. And to be honest, this last 30 days cannot just prove that these traders are profitable all around. For example, if you look at this person has made 7,000% profit and the win rate is just 53% win rate. Look at this person right here. He has made 2,000% profit, which is huge. But the total amount of money the person has made is even a loss. The person has lost $4,400 right there. And if you come here to the next person too, this person has made 2,000% profit. Look at the total cumulative P&L. That's a loss of $25,000. So again, I will not advise you to pick a trader under this, because traders under this category, number one, they take huge risk. Their win rates are so low, and I will not advise you to pick a trader right here. Now, that's the category I will not advise you to pick a trader under. Now, the category where I will most likely advise you pick a trader from is these cumulative earnings of copiers. Now, to be honest, you are a copier because you want to actually copy a trader, and your focus is to make money. Whether you like it or not, your focus is to make money. You are not here to become friends with any master trader or any trader you want to copy. You just want to make money. And where is the best place to go? It is where other copiers are actually making money. That's what a lot of people don't know. A lot of people will go and be picking traders from this 30-day ROI because they see huge profit, or maybe they go and be picking traders from account assets. You can have so much capital or so much asset and not be making any amount of money. For example, if you come and copy a trader under account assets and you have a trader that has over $1 million, the person might just be making 1% profit. And you want to copy with, let's say, $100. If you are making 1% profit, how is that any money to you? That's nothing. So I will not advise you to even go there. But this cumulative earnings of copiers, you want to go to where the copiers are also making money. And this is the category for that. Now, let's go through the traders under this category. Now, if you look at the trader under this category, look at this first person. You can see that this person, just look at the badge first. That's what I always advise. Look at the badge. If you click on this badge right here, this person account level is bronze, and bronze is the last account level. So I won't even advise you go for that. So once you see that badge, I won't advise you go for the last badge. Is an advice. So let's just leave that first person. Now, the second person right here, if you click on this badge, this person account level is gold, and that's the second highest account level on BingX. And then if you go further, you can see that in the last 30 days, this person has made 8% profit, which is good. 8% profit in the last 30 days is still good. And you can see the cumulative P&L. So this person has made a total of $4,100. And you have 456 people copying this person. And this person's win rate is 96%, which is good. So this number one person will take note of. I want us to look at like 3 or 4 people and compare. So this number one person to take note of that. And then you have this next person right here. We click on the badge. This account level is also gold. So let's take note of that. But in the last 30 days, this person has not made good profit. It's just 0.17%. And you can see the cumulative P&L is about $3,300, which is not bad. And over 800 people are copying this person. And this person has a win rate of 86%, which is good. So let's take note of this person too. And then if you come here to this next person, if you click on the account level, you can see this account level is silver, which is the third highest. But I won't advise us to go for this person. And moreover, if you look at the win rate, it's just 51%. So let's leave that. And then if we come here to this next person, let's click on this. So this person is diamond. I think this is the only person that is on diamond level on BingX. So let's look at that. And this person in the last 30 days has made 4% profit. Cumulative P&L is $9,800. And over 1,000 people are copying this person. And this person has a win rate of 91%, which is good. So that means that we have 3 people to look at. 1, 2, 3. Let's just look at one more and we'll just compare those 4. So look at this person here. This person account level is gold right here. And the last 30 days, this person has a loss of 5%, which is not bad. There's some month where the person would definitely be in profit. Maybe this month wasn't as good. And you can see right here, cumulative P&L is $1,730. And the number of copiers right here is 1,000. So over 1,000 people are copying this person. And this person has a win rate of 87%. So you can see if the win rate is 87%, that means that the person is still making good profit right there. So now that we just want to focus on these 4 people right here, let's look at them one by one. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, this is the first person we want to check. I can see right here, this is the person's username. You see the number of people copying this person, 456. You see the number of days this person has been a master trader for. So this person joined 258 days ago. Now, BingX has an AI feature that can help you to analyze the strategy of a trader you want to copy. So you can see right here, this is it. Would you like me to analyze ASFI Trade's trading strategy for you? So if you want it, just click on it. I can see right here, the AI will analyze that person's strategy for you, which is really, really good. So you can see this is another advantage of using copy trading on BingX. Again, if you have an account on BingX already, use the first link in the description of this video to do that. So now it has analyzed the person's trading strategy for us. So you can go through it right here and read it. So this is too long. I don't want to waste your time reading this. So you can just go ahead and read that for yourself. And if you come here, this way you can now see more details of that trader before you go ahead and copy more details of that trader. Now, the first thing I always advise that you do once you come to this page where you are going to see more details, come here to where you have copiers. If you come here to where you have copiers, this way you can be able to see how much each person is making. So you can see right here, this is the first copier on this list. This person became a copier 36 days ago, and this person started with a capital of $200,000. I can see right here, this person has made $15,000 right there. So this person has made $15,000 profit. You can see the second person right here, also $200,000, $15,000 profit too. Another $200,000, $15,000 again. You can see this one has $187,000. This person has made $18 profit. So you can be seeing other profits right here. This person has made $3,000 profit, $2,000 profit. So you can actually see on this list right here that the people who are copying this trader, they are actually making profit. And if you look at here, this is someone that even copied with $623, which is less than $1,000. And this person has made $287 profit. So again, you can be able to easily see how much each person is making, so that you have an idea of how much you most likely make when you start copying this trader. I hope you understand now. Now, if you come back to where you have trading data, another thing you need to check out is where you have this risk. So you see this risk right here. Now that risk can range from 1 to 9, and the higher the number, the higher the risk that person is taking. I hope you understand. So the lowest is 1 and the highest is 9. So if it's 1, that means that this person is a low risk trader, and if it's closer to 9, that means that the person is a high risk trader. But this person right here is 4, so which is still not bad. And another thing you should check out for is the profit share percentage. Now, this for profit share percentage is 20%. What does this mean? This means that when you copy this trader and you make profit, this trader will take 20% of your profit. So if you copy a trader and then you make, let's say, $100 profit as profit, then that person will take 20% of that $100 for himself. So that means that the person will take $20 and you take $80 of the profit. I hope you get it. So those are the information you really need to check when you come here to check more details. Again, check the risk, check the profit share ratio, and again, check the amount of money each person is making right here. So this is the first person on the list, and the second person I said I want to check. If you come here, this person is Alpha Bot. This person, over 800 people are copying this person, and this person joined 263 days ago. And if you come here, the risk for this person is just 1. So this person is a very low risk trader, and the profit share ratio is 15%. So this person is even taking a lower percentage. So you might actually want to go for this person more if you prefer that. And then if you come here to your copiers, so this way you can be able to see how much each person is making. So you can see this person has made $8,000. This second person has made $8,000, $6,000, $5,000, $4,000. So you can be able to see how much each person is making right here. So that's another person right there. Now let's look at the third person. So this is the third person here. So this person, the risk is 1, which is also good. But the profit share ratio is 32%, which is too high. I think that's too high. If the person will be taking 32% of the profit, that is too high. Except maybe that was the best person on the list. And I think that's the only person who is a diamond trader, who is on the diamond level. So maybe that is why it is very high. I don't know. And then coming here to copiers, let's see how much they are making under him. So you can see this person has made $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $600. So you can scroll up and down and see how much each person is making. That is the people who are copying this person. So these people too are also making money right there. And let's check the last person. So you can see the last person here. This person, though the person has made a loss in the last 30 days though, but the risk is 3 and the profit share ratio is 10%. So I think this is the lowest you have seen, 10% right there. And then if you come here to under copiers, so you can be able to see how much the people who are copying this person, how much they are all making. right here on the list. Now, based on everything we've checked right now, if you want to go ahead and copy someone, always make sure you check all of these things I've talked about. And let's say, for example, you're the kind of person that you want to copy this person right here. You know, this person is the only diamond person on the list, but maybe you don't mind this 32% profit share ratio. You don't mind giving a person 32% of every profit you make. If you don't mind that, then you can go ahead and copy this person. We're the kind of person that, oh, you don't want to give too much out of the profit you are making from this person, then you can actually go for this person right here, who is taking just 10% of your profit. So this person will only take 10% of your profit, or you go ahead for this second person who is only taking 50% of your profit. Whichever of those two you are good to copy. And it depends on you. I hope you understand. So I'm just going to pick one person and copy, and then I'll show you the whole process. So let's say, for example, I want to copy this person on the list right here. So let's say I want to copy this person, Alpha Bot. I'll just come here and click on copy. So on the screen right here, you see two options. You have position ratio and you have per order. Now, if you are picking position ratio, it means that your capital per trade will be entered proportionally. Now, let me explain. Now, let's say, for example, I come here and I put, let's say, $100. You can see the minimum amount is 20 USDT. You'll put it there. So let's say I come here and put $100. Then what does that mean? Now, that means that, let's say, for example, the trader I want to copy, this person, let's say the person has, let's say, $1,000 and me, I have $100. Now, if the person should enter a trade with, let's say, half of what he has in his account. So half of what he has in his account is $500. So if that person enters with $500, I will also enter that trade with half of what I have in my account, which is $50. I hope you are getting it now. So half of what you have in your account is what you enter the trade with. If the person enters the trade with, let's say, 10% of what he has in his account, so 10% of that is $1,000 is $100. That means that me too, I will also enter that trade with 10% of this amount. So 10% of $100 is $10. I hope you are getting it. So that's the meaning of position ratio. This total $100 is just like your total amount for this copy trading. But for each trade, you'll be entering it proportionally according to the calculation I've just explained. I hope you understand it. But if you prefer per order, for this one, you'll be the one to enter the exact amount of money you want to use to enter each trade. So this one will not be based on maybe percentage of the trader or not. No, you'll be the one to enter the exact amount you want to use to enter each trade. And this is where you enter it. So you can see margin, the minimum is 5 USDT. So let's, for example, I want to enter each trade with, let's say, $20. I'll just put $20 right there. And you can see my total amount of funds in copy trading will be $100. So the total amount of money I want to have in my wallet will be $100. That means that I can copy a maximum of 5 trades at a time. So that's the maximum I can copy at a time, 5 trades. So that means that even if the master trader is entering the trade with even maybe all of his capital, you will only enter with $20. I hope you understand. So I think that might be better because you all want to know the exact amount of money you are using to enter each trade. Because if you pick position ratio and the master trader enters with all of his capital, that means that you also enter that trade with all of your capital, which might be risky. But if you pick per order, it means that you will be the one to enter the amount you want to use for each trade. I hope you get it. So once you've entered that, then you come here to where you have advanced settings, click on it. And once you click on it, you see where it says TP set and stop loss set. Now for this one, it means that you have the chance to set your own take profit and stop loss for each trade, or you leave it to the take profit and stop loss the master trader will set. I hope you understand. So if you leave it like this, it means that you're not setting your own take profit and stop loss. You want to leave it for whatever the take profit and stop loss the master trader will set. But for me, based on my own experience, I will advise to set both. Honestly, I will advise to set both. So for the profit amount, you enter it in USDT. Now, don't forget you are entering with $20 capital per trade. So let's say, for example, per trade, you want to focus on making, let's say $6. $6 is about 30% profit, right there, $6. And your stop loss, maybe your stop loss, you want to put it as about, let's say $4 right there. So $4 is about 20% loss. So you want to be making like 30% profit and 20% loss on each trade. So you set it by yourself so that you know the exact amount of money you will make or lose on each trade, so that you don't just leave it to the trader. Because if you are copying a trader that will go and make any out decision, you can lose all your money. It has happened before. A lot of you who have been watching my videos for a long time, you know that. I made a video on that and showed it on the channel. It has happened before. where I invested $1,000 and I lost over $500 because I left it to copy the traders, take profit and stop loss. So it can be really risky. And then the next thing you want to do is to scroll down here and click on leverage and margin mode. So you can see leverage and margin mode. So you can see right here, it says follow trader. So what does this mean? This means that you follow the trader's margin and leverage right there. So if you are following the trader's margin and leverage, it's always better you say you won't take profit and stop loss, because what if one day the trader goes ahead to pick a very high leverage? It can be risky. So if the person picks a very high leverage and you don't say you won't take profit and stop loss, it's actually very, very risky for you. I hope you understand. So once you've entered all of these details, just click on copy now. And just like that, you've copied successfully. When the trader executes a trade, you will automatically copy that trade. So you can see you don't need to be doing any analysis. You don't need to be coming here to check charts every day. No, just set it up like this and forget about it. But you need to be checking it regularly. You can be checking it maybe twice a day to just be monitoring how much you are making or losing from that trader. So if you click on view details right here, it will bring you to this page. So you can see right here on the screen now, I've immediately entered the trade. That means that the trader had an open trade already. So I've entered that trade already. So if the trader has any open trade, you automatically enter it immediately. So this is the only trade right now, and you're able to see how much you are making or losing. So right now we are currently losing $0.08, which is still small. So I can be monitoring this right here. So you can see how good it is. So it will show you all the details right here. It will show you copy asset, $100, copy amount, also $100, copy buy per order. So that copy buy per order, that means that I entered the amount of money I want to use to copy the trader, which was what I entered $20 for. Don't forget. The profit share ratio is 15%. Shared profit, we've not shared any profit. So if you have shared any profit, it will show right here. And the unsettled share right here is my own share that I've not received or that I've not withdrawn. So you see your own share that you have not withdrawn right there. And then you can see today's date here. So that is all. And then you can see the open positions. If you come here to trade history, you'll see all the trades you've taken. So this is the trade I'm currently taking right now. And if you come here to position history, you will not see anything because I've not taken anything. If you come here to profit share history, I've not also shared any profit for now. And if you come here to where it says transaction history, this is where you can be able to see the amount of money you have in your transactions right here. So you can see the copy trading transfer, I transferred $100. The trading fee, so the current trade I'm taking right now, this is the trading fee that has been taken from it. So you'll be able to see all the details right here. Everything is transparent. So this is better than you giving your money to someone else to be trading for you. This is good because you can monitor everything by yourself. No one is scamming you. No one is taking your money away. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how to stop copying a trader, or maybe how to withdraw some part of your profit. Maybe you've made some profit, you want to withdraw it. I'll show you now. Or maybe you want to reduce the amount of money you're using to copy. Or maybe you even want to add more capital. I'll show you right now. But before I show you, please, if you have learned something from this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Just type, I have learned something. Just type that in the comment section below. I have learned something. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are trying to reach 200,000 subscribers. Thank you. Now, how do you now withdraw some amount of money, maybe even out to your capital, or if you want to edit it? Just come here to where it says edit order, and right here on the screen, if you want to edit the amount of capital you want to use per trade, this is where you can do it. If you want to add more money or remove half of your total capital, this is where you can do it. Just come right here to adjust funds, and then you can see where it says add. And then you can see two options, add or reduce. So if you click on add, it means that you want to add more capital. And if you click on reduce, it means that you want to reduce out of your capital. You want to remove out of your capital. That's basically the meaning. So if you want to go ahead and do that, just come right here and enter any amount of your choice and go ahead and withdraw part of your capital. You cannot withdraw everything. Take note of that. If you want to withdraw everything, that means that you have to stop copying the trader totally. That's the meaning. I hope you understand. And if you want to stop copying the trader totally, then you click on this icon, this one right here. Just click on it. I can see that it says stop copying. Your copied position will be closed at market price. Number 2, your copied trading funds will be returned to your USDSN perpetual futures account automatically. So you can see right there, they will refund your money back to your futures wallet automatically. They are not taking your money away from you. I hope you understand. So once you've seen that, you just come here and click on confirm. And just like that, you have stopped copying the trader. So if you have made some profit, you take your profit. If you have made a loss, you also take the loss right there. So that's the simple way to copy a trader. Now, so as not to waste your time, let me just quickly show you how to copy a trader for spot trading. Now, if you come here, we're just really talking about futures trading. Now, for spot trading, you come here to spot traders. And for this is where you can be able to see all the traders under this category right here. So you can see they are all for spot trading. So for this one, you don't have any futures trader, you don't have any leverage or anything. They are just spot traders right here. And you can see on the screen, you can see this first person has made 70% ROI. This person has made a total of $998, 1,000 copiers, and 93% win ratio. So if you're the kind of person that you are looking for someone to copy and you don't want to go into futures trading, then this is for you. So if you want to copy someone, look at this first person, it is full already, so you can't copy this one. This second person right here, you can go ahead and copy this person. The win rate is 92%. This person has made 43% ROI, which is good. So let's go ahead and copy this person. So to copy this person, I'll just click on copy right here. And on the screen here, you can see it says margin. So here, I'll just put in the amount of money I want to use to copy the trader. So right here, I'll just enter the amount of money I want to use to copy each trade. So for each trade, that's what you're entering for. So let's say I want to copy a trade with, let's say $6. I'll just put $6 right there. So once you put it, just click on copy now. And if you want to know the minimum amount, let me remove it. You can see it is between $5 to $10,000. So minimum is $5, maximum is $10,000. So if you want to copy with $6, just click on 6 right there. And then you can see copy now. So if I click on copy now, just like that, I have copied successfully. So if you click on view details too, to take you to the details of that trader that you are copying. So you can be able to see it right here. This is where you'll be able to see how much you are making or losing. So it will tell you your profit or your loss at this point right here. And this is the trader you are copying. Also for this person, if you want to stop copying this trader, just click on edit. And then on this page right here, you see where it says stop copying. And then once you click on stop copying, you stop copying the trader. So I'll click on it right there and click on confirm. And just like that, you start copying the trader. So that is the simple way to copy a trader and make money, whether for futures trading or spot trading. It is simple and straightforward. Don't forget about the bonus I said you can get, which is the $20 subsidy voucher for yourself if you are a new user. So don't forget, if you have an account, use the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account on BingX. Now, before I go, if you want to learn how to make money with futures trading on BingX, maybe you want to learn how to do analysis yourself and also make money with futures trading by yourself, click on the video showing on your right hand side. And if you want to see a video where you can start earning passive income for yourself without doing any form of analysis or even checking charts every day, you just want to be earning passive income with your crypto on BingX every day, click on the video showing on your left hand side. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.